How y'all guys doing out there in YouTube land? I'm Quiet Curtis. Right now I'm going to show y'all guys clips of video looters in Houston, Texas. They robbing and stealing because there's a bad hurricane flood down at Houston, Texas. And I'm just going to show y'all guys clips of the looters robbing and stealing. Right now it's the first video I'm going to show y'all guys. As you see right now, they're just like robbing and stealing, taking stuff from stores. Alright, second clip I'm going to show you, again, security surveillance camera, catch the rioters in the store looting and robbing. It's quite sad. You got people out there taking advantage of people that's in duress. They're just robbing, stealing, taking what they want. It's sad what happened over there by Houston, Texas. Very sad. See all these looters and robbers just having a field day. Alright, the third video. Another security surveillance of the looters down at Houston, Texas. Security cam showing looters just robbing and stealing, just taking stuff. I understand desperate time comes with desperate measure, but come on now. You know, you got people that actually trying to make a living. And here you are, just looting and robbing, taking advantage of the situation of people at the rest mode. It's sad. It's sad, y'all. Very sad. Alright, this is Quiet Curtis here. If you like what you're seeing, and you like to be entertained and also informed, donate to my GoFundMe or my PayPal. Give $1. Any little bit helps. Alright, this is Quiet Curtis here. Until next time we meet, guys, later.